Right, find the solution to 2. I write z's like that so you can distinguish them between 2 and z. 2z1 plus, let's say, 3z2. So, adding complex numbers, and then we'll do a subtraction one. Right, so first of all, there's a multiplication we have to take care of. So double z1, there's z1 up here, so double it, 12 plus 10i. And then here, plus, so we plus, yeah, treble that, 12 plus 9i. Alright, now we add the reals, which is, reals don't have the i's, so that's 24 plus 19i. So watch, what happens when you multiply, let's say 6 plus 5, well 4 plus 3i. 4 plus 3i, that is it there. What happens, do you think, when you multiply 4 plus 3i times 2? Where do you end up when you double it? You go to 8 plus 6i, don't you? Which is 8 plus, that's 3, 8 plus 6i, so 6. So what happens when you double the complex number, multiply it by 2? You get further away from the center. What happens when if I multiplied this one by 3? I'll be 3 times further away. What do you think happens if I take this and look up? What do you think happens if I take this complex number and divide it, or divide it by 2? Yes, it gets twice as close. So I become halfway. I'm a lot closer to home. If I divide it by 4, for example, I'll be only a quarter of the way from home. See there? Okay, so that's. Now we'll take those 2 complex numbers and we'll do subtracting. This time what I'll do is we'll do the same thing again. We'll do 3 times z1 minus 2 times z2. Alright, I'll do this example and then I'll give you one to do. Alright, so look up. What's 3 times z1? Alan? 3 times that?
It's 80.
18 plus?
15i.
Yeah, 18 plus 15i. And to subtract, so I'll write down the minus sign. 2 times z2, I'll put this in brackets. What's double z2? Double that. 8 plus. Right, my next step is, so I need the minus, and the minus times the plus. So that'll be minus 8. And the minus times the plus here. Alright. So I get 18 minus 8. 10. 15i minus 6i. Plus 9i. Or alternatively, if you want, you can write it like this. Minus 8, well, 8 plus 6i. And subtract. To subtract, you change the signs. So 18 minus 8 is 10. 15 minus 6i is 9i. It's 2 different viewpoints. Alright, so that's subtracting complex numbers.